Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is an easy, traditional black spiritual, just three chords. It originated as a Christian hymn, but it's often played by jazz bands and was famously recorded in 1938 by Louis Armstrong and his orchestra. It's also the theme song of the Luton Town Football Club in honour of one of their star players, Ian St John. It's been recorded by everyone: Elvis Presley, Bruce Springsteen, Van Morrison and many others. I'll have a go at it myself, then I'll go through all the chords and the strumming patterns. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh Lord, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the sun refused to shine, when the sun refused to shine, oh Lord, I want to be in that number when the sun refused to shine. Oh, when the trumpet sounds the call, when the trumpet sounds the call, oh Lord, I want to be in that number when the trumpet sounds the call. Together now, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh Lord, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Well, as I say, this is an easy three-chord song: a C, chord of C, chord of F, and a chord of G7. But I also include a C7, which is just one finger down on fret 1 and string 1, because it makes a nice transition to the F chord. You don't have to do it, but it's easy enough to do. Let's go like this, and when the saints go marching in, when the saints go marching, G7 in, I want to back to C, I can't be, and then the C7 in that F number, when the saints go F marching in. And it's the same for every verse. The strumming pattern, I'm using a chunk stroke, which is where you go across the strings with the floppy fingers, nice and loose and nice and relaxed across, but coming down and deadening all the sound strings. So you get this sort of, it's more of a percussion sound than an actual chord. And you can come back also with the thumb. People still have a little trouble with that, but I've found that it's a very useful stroke to develop. The song itself is what's called a call and response, or antiphonal song. It's where you sing, one group sings the actual words, when the saints go marching in, and then another group comes in and sing, go marching in. It's a sort of response to it. It's great fun to sing with a group. Anyway, whatever you do and however you do it, as always, have fun.